right, there was 7 minutes at the top of the hour. Or him be until say or children Panyakopon. Yanina my Yensro, Debiada. If he said Okaya home. Yawaka Obeyan and one Obeyan. Other for customers on nothing, no say about me watching another Chuada is a brand new week. Weekend in the net is saying. Bibiako ye. I have found out the woody and then of course war. If I told me the American show right after the news, I will tell you what happened over the weekend. And run you my goodness. Banina actually Rebecca said as well. I'm watching. Let me be a wobia. We feed you that 106.3 FM. And Russell see a deep castle some to my dear bro. If he's summary I compare say no to be Bapemo. On behalf of the team, Amima Wakwaba, DJ Awana, Ayuwa 05, Aisha Ibrahim, Kofi Hassan, and of course the lead producer, Listo Wakojofojo, Josh Tigo, your programs manager, and Abdullah Awudu, the general manager. That's right. Oh, my goodness. I was saying, I'm not a hit tip. I'm in India, Sempa. Yanya Shady, William Sensemo over the weekend. Yes, you see, Yanina. In fact, Bibi Chimaki, Mintiasia, because of late, Nippa Wututu. Nippa Wututu, say, Anya Quensia. Where's me and Casam of Jimmy Quaffy, Miss Adian Elcosi. Nabosa Quabra Nempa, Bonnie, Modia Bonitim, Anante, Crede, Akoto Blade. I said them is a me chama fum yenu. I mean sunum piemra. No, Adian Elcosu, my way. Boys, yes, you are Coachelica Crabanani, Crana, Aquasia, Namunina. Ayasamo, they were last seen. Empire, what's it? Empire, young Fanka Udin Huda. He was last seen on the motorway. It's a lie. He was last seen going to work. It's a lie. He was last seen. They can't know. Networker. The devil is a liar. That's right. I was enter the Democrats and Abano, the member was watch our headlines. I feel no see about not you about Josewa or the Cassia Boba Bray. I mean, for the publisher newspaper, Enfiasia, the publisher. I say, retire these men. NPP backs Kufuado. Now, men Ben Omoka Mwasami. Hackman Owuswati, my phone, the Hafamina Battles, the Professor Ameya Kumfi. Hey, Papa, we are. Dr. Kofi Kodia Sapong. Amam Penny, you say, retire these men. I don't hear. Chief of Staff's birthday message to President Akufo-Addo, and also what the publisher newspaper. Oforiatta unveils economic recovery plan, and also the Daily Graphic newspaper and Ukraine. President in Spain for Focus Africa Conference, and government points for more development according to Vice President Baobia. Ghana yearbook, valuable asset. Speaker urges MPs to obtain copies. Another big one on the front page of the Daily Graphic. Pursuing consolidation, restoring stability, share economic burden. IMF calls for national dialogue. And then I had the big one, the Daily Graphic and him. The back page of the Daily Graphic of it, Black Stars Tam Sao Tome 3-1. Is it Yadem? The Ghanaian Times newspaper and I'm Twaso. Ghana card 10 number requirement takes off April 1. I know that living bitters is safe. FDA declares. And President leaves for Spain to attend Focus Africa 2023 confab. And also the Ghanaian Times newspaper. Yeah, me de sorry so ansana no si akase baba. The Daily Guide newspaper. a 3K and UST student die in 2 accidents. And Ranamiti are not sure about just a while. Ebra, Obo, the voice of the PRO, Adima K and UST. Dr. Norris Berquin, good morning. How be everything cool? Still with the daily guide, I'll say MPP timetable out. Varsity coming. VRA support 30 schools and also Professor Alabi cries over Auditor General lies. Good morning, the 29th day of March 2021. There's a brand new week in Yamebeye for Swane Koso. Stay tuned to Adum 106.3 FM.